Is there any particular requirement to recommend lifestyle changes based on the gender and age? The answer is of course yes. I'm Preeti Shah, I'm integrative nutrition health coach, and I recommend lifestyle changes to my clients from which they can recover out of the ailment and also according to their age, so that we can also work on the prevention. Watch this video to understand the challenges which kids, men, women, elders face and which ailments they are more susceptible to understand the lifestyle changes which you can make, which can support your body in a better manner, and you can also prevent ailments. Let's first start with kids. They are more susceptible to ailments like frequent cold and cough, asthma, bronchitis, sinus, adenoid, eczema, even appendix cases are seen more in case of kids. They often get digestive discomfort like stomachache or diarrhea, and also they fall sick enough with various kind of viral and bacterial infections. Now these all ailments are directly related to immunity system and gut health. Now they are small, so their immunity system is not yet fully trained, and that's why they are more susceptible to this kind of ailment. To help them, what you need to add is variety in the diet, which can improve their gut health and then can also increase good gut bacteria. You can add variety of lentil, legumes, pulses, variety of vegetables, fruits, healthy nuts and seeds, healthy probiotics and healthy dairy in their diet. And you can also work on the immunity system. You can allow them to play in sand with pet animals like cats and dogs, and also teach them how to maintain basic hygiene standard from very early age. Next, we'll talk about men and women. If we consider men and women, we all are trained as per different society norms. We have different body types, and that makes us more susceptible to various ailments. In our society setting, women, they are more conditioned to be more emotional and sensitive. They are excellent nurturers. So naturally they depend more on the family or on their partner emotionally as well as financially. They are supposed to take care of the family. Apart from this, female anatomy is different. They are capable of being pregnant and giving birth to a child, and they go through various phases like puberty, reproductive age, pregnancy, menopause. This all makes them more vulnerable to hormonal imbalance, and female, they are more susceptible to ailments like migraine, eczema, depression, anxiety, thyroid, autoimmune related ailments, pregnancy related ailments and menstrual related ailments. Now if you examine these ailments closely, you will notice that these all ailments are directly related to stress and hormonal imbalance. The way we talk about our society conditioning, female, they are more sensitive and this kind of ailment affect them more. Considering so many imbalances, females need to remember that they have to focus on consuming nutritious food. Cheat meals definitely will not have. Remember, increased craving means either you are stressed or either there is something wrong with your body. So work on your craving. Do not go for cheat meal even for temporary relief. You can work on your passion, you can work on yourself, work on your financial independence. Take a pause, breathe, exercise, sleep well. And remember, if you are taking care of your health, you can take care of everything else. When we talk about men, they are considered as the head of the family and expected to behave like one. As per society norm, they are conditioned from very early age to behave like a stronger species. Their pain bearing capacity is higher. They are not allowed to cry, sulk or complain, and then they naturally become little less sensitive or inexpressive and often hide their emotional turmoil. Since they need to support their family financially, their role is more to work, and they are naturally drawn towards more smoking, alcohol and chewing tobacco. This makes them more susceptible to ailments like heart ailment, diabetes, increased level of cholesterol, high blood pressure, cancer. Now to work on their health, they need to stop smoking, consume alcohol in moderation and stop chewing tobacco. They also need to focus on consuming food which is specially homemade and following a bit of discipline while consuming their meals. Skipping meals will not work. They need to moderately consume tea, coffee and biscuits and street food. It is advisable for them to carry snack or dry snack which they can consume in mid-afternoon. They also focus on their exercise. Even if they are busy, they need to find time for exercise. Even adding few steps throughout the day will definitely help. Also work on sleeping pattern. Procrastination on work will definitely not help. And lastly, try to balance work and family life. Working on your brain health will definitely help them more. Lastly, we'll talk about elders. And when we talk about elders, we think of one word: aging and wear and tear. Now that makes them more susceptible to few ailments related to cardiovascular ailment, cancer, and health related to bones, joint, and brain. To support body of the elders, we need to introduce cooked meal and the meal which is suited to them. Anti-inflammatory diet will definitely help. Also, they need to exercise in a way that it can help them balance more and strengthen the health of joint and bones. Also, they need to work on drinking water enough, breathing enough, adding meditation and stress relieving techniques. They can also join some social club and remain active. Laughter will definitely help them getting better. So this was all about ailments related to age and gender. If we introduce lifestyle changes according to the age, it definitely helps them prevent various ailments and supports the body in easy manner. I hope this helps. Thank you.